Hello taxi drivers. In this tutorial we're going to explore the groups and the communication groups. And if you have not watched the messaging tutorial, please do that because it will be a great help for you. I'm going to assume that you already watched that, and if not, please do that again. So as in the previous tutorial, the first thing we have to do is sign in, right? We want to make sure that the interface is showing my messaging components, message list, address book, and groups. And I want to unlock the meter view just to make it easier for me. So what are groups? Say I work with 3-4 drivers all the time, right? And I want to communicate with them all at once or just like individuals. So instead of me having to go through the whole address list, or if I want to message the whole group, I don't want to go message every one of them separately, right? So for that, I create a group. So I'm going to click Manage Groups, click it again, and I'm going to create a group. I'm going to call my group Traxi App 2, all right? And I can have it as voice only, messaging only, or both. So I'm going to select both. I'm going to turn my group on. It's important to turn your group on while sending invitations to others. Otherwise, when they reply back to you, you're not going to get the replies, right? I'm going to go see my members, and it's going to give me a list of all my contacts in here. So if I want to invite someone to join my group, I click on the driver and I select invite, right? And I send this driver an invitation. He received the invitation, all right? And let's see what he does. Messages, clicked on it, right? And he goes to his groups. And interesting, he received the message from me. All right, and he's going to accept it now.
I just joined. Traxi App 2, thank you.
So he replied back that he joined my group, and let me go into my group, and he's already here. Okay? So now let's assume that I have more than one driver in my group and I want to message the whole group at once. I can simply click the group, right? And I can send a message to the whole group at once. Say I want to say on my way, or I want to share my location with everybody. So everybody just received my location. The interesting thing in here that I can create as many groups as I want, and I can select which drivers are in which group. At the same time, other drivers can do the same thing, and they can invite me to join their groups or not to invite me to join the groups. Now, when the group is on, you receive all the notifications from that group, sent to that group, right? Any notifications sent to the group, you're going to receive it. But if you're just at the end of your shift and you're going home and you don't want to be bothered, you can simply click the group off, and now you won't be bothered with any notifications sent to the full group at once, right? But if someone sends you an individual message, you're still going to receive it in this case, right? So if somebody's going to say, I'm going to send you my location as an example.
Location data received from Taxi.
You receive it, right? But now, let's say that same guy went to the groups and he clicked, and he's going to send his location to the whole group. You receive nothing because your group is off, right? So if I turn my group on and now he sends a message to the whole group, he's going to say testing, right? And he's going to send it.
Testing.
You receive it, all right? That is basically how to use groups. Note that groups are an extremely powerful feature of this app, and in the next tutorials, we're going to explain to you how to use groups in order for you to create a small dispatch subnets So for example, say you're operating in a small town and there's 3 or 4 of you as drivers, and you're creating some sort of a dispatch application or some sort of a dispatch service. You don't even need to have a dispatch system, or you don't even have to have an office, because you could use this app to fully book your orders and dispatch the orders and service them without even having to leave your car. All right. I hope you enjoyed this demo, and I hope you'll watch more and you can use the application to your advantage. Have yourself a great day.